Hello everybody, my name is Ian Lamont. I am the publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides, including PowerPoint Basics in 30 Minutes by author Angela Rose, as well as the PowerPoint 2019 cheat sheet. And today I'm going to be talking about how to insert an image into PowerPoint. And I'm going to show you 3 ways to do it. It's not that hard. So here is my slideshow PowerPoint file. This is about Amazon, selling stuff on Amazon. And I'm talking about Amazon Seller Central, and there's a picture that I want to put here. And this is assuming that the picture, I've already taken the picture or uploaded the picture to my hard drive, or it's somewhere on my hard drive where I can find it. And I want to stick it right here in this place. 3 ways to do it. First, from the Home tab, if you scroll over, this is the PowerPoint 2019. Windows and Mac, it looks practically the same. It will behave the same. You should see an icon that says Picture. Click on that. And it gives you 3 options: photo browser, picture from file, or online pictures. Online pictures, as the name sounds like, it'll find pictures online that you may be able to use, including royalty-free, copyright-free images. Photo browser goes to the photo program on your computer, but what I usually do is picture from file, because the photos that I put into presentations, I store them in a special place. So I'm going to do that right now. Picture from file. And here is the folder where I'm keeping all of the images for this particular presentation. So the image that I want to use is called Amazon DPV Have One to Sell March 2019 PNG. So I'd select it, then I'd click Insert. And sometimes, this design ideas thing, let's get rid of that. Let's bump it up a little bit so you can see it more clearly. Sometimes when you insert an image, it looks like it's a little bit too big, or it's covering something up. And to move it, just grab it with your mouse and move it over. To make it smaller, there's like little squares on the corners of the picture. Just grab one of them and then kind of bring it in. And you can see you can kind of scale it so it's the right size. So here's my picture. So the other ways to do this, there's 2 other ways you can do this. One is that you can go to the Insert tab, and there's the same icon, Pictures. You can do the same thing, Picture from File. And then finally, you can do right-click over the slide where you want to insert a slide, and then there's an options to import images, take a photo, or do something like that. For more information on how to get the most out of PowerPoint, check out our book, PowerPoint Basics in 30 Minutes, available from in30minutes.com, as well as the PowerPoint 2019 cheat sheet, also available from in30minutes.com. Thank you so much for watching.